grudge match, maybe with another animal. I don't know. I thought it was going to get bigger.
You're on to something. You trademark that.
I actually did think it was the snake that was going to win. I don't know why I thought that. I was wrong. All right. And so maybe many others were too. We've got the blue sky, got some wispy clouds coming in. And sometimes these clouds, if we just didn't have all the weather equipment we had, can portend to what is coming in. And a lot of times we'll see these higher thin clouds before the next system, before the next front. And we got all that coming in, but it's really a wind maker for us more than anything else. What a pretty shot that is, although I already tweeted that little picture out right there. Here's your first alert. We gave it to you days ago. We said this weekend I could easily see advisory level winds. And now what are we looking at? Advisory level winds. We knew once you start hitting that 50-mile-per-hour mark. Yeah, it's easily advisory level winds. So noon to 10 p.m. starting tomorrow, noon to 10 p.m. valley-wide, probably area-wide too, actually. I mean, that means if you go through California or out to Arizona, you're going to encounter some very strong winds, or even northern parts of our fair state, gusts to 50 plus. So plan on that. And we're thinking the peak winds, once again in the afternoon hours, will probably start off kind of breezy, but will really end off very gusty. And then later on tomorrow night, the winds taper off pretty nicely. Stirring around mulberry, sycamore, and juniper pollen. Plan on that. That's not going to change. It's unusually high this time of year. 13 first alert SATRAD, we're seeing more clouds come in than anything else, and the rain just doesn't look like it. Computer models really waffling about all this rain, even making it close to the valley to help settle some of this dust. So we could use it, but the chances are still rather small. I hope that changes. I'd love to settle some of the dust around here, but we have systems just backing up, waiting to push on through and bring us some more stronger wind. But you can just see there's some moisture with that, not for us so much. Take a nice long look at the next 7 days. We are calling, and we did this yesterday before anyone else was talking about, before your phones were saying anything. We said tomorrow is going to be our first 90-degree day. We're holding true to that. So we'll be watching that very closely for tomorrow. We'll have a couple chances next week too. So we're really right there, ready for the 90s. Temperatures will drop on Sunday and the wind will drop off a little bit better. But then we have a couple of days of wind Tuesday and next Thursday as well. And then the temperatures will drop back down into the 70s. Back to you, Carla.
All right. Thanks, Brian.